Just got this in the mail. This is a toothbrush sanitizer, and it uses ultraviolet light. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this bad boy, if we can get it out of here. There we go. All right, this shouldn't be too hard. See, oh, there it comes right out. Put the box over there because we don't need that. There's the information on it, so you might want to read these things. Kind of tells you how to use it. And let's pop it out of its little thing. There it is. Bam. All right, so it's got a little cover here you got to pull off. Got that off. And it does come with a USB A to C. All right. And this you stick on, it's a sticky like thing. You stick it on the wall. And on the back of this, there's a little, this would slide in like this once you got it on the wall. And then would just sit there, and to get it off, you just go like that. So you put it on like that, right? It's on the wall. When you're ready to get it off, you just kind of pop it up. And then you've got to plug it in and charge it, of course. I'm looking for the charging port on it. Oh, here's the charging port right here. See that? So it's USB-C. So we need to charge it. So let's go ahead and we'll grab our USB-C. We'll plug it in. Okay. Oh, look, this one's got a thing on it too. It says it's 98% charge. So I think we're ready to go. This is where you put your toothbrushes in it, you know what I mean? So this slides open. Then you would put your toothbrushes right in there. And then this would slide shut like that. But let's go ahead and we'll let it charge to a 90 to 100. And then we'll put it on the wall and we'll try it out. All right, when you see that, supposedly it's fully charged. So we can pop this out. And then what we do is we do a 2-second hold to power it. 1001, 1002. Now it's on. Now to open up this door, I just pass my hand in front of it. It pops open. Then I stick my 2 little toothbrushes in there, and then I go like that. And then it just works on its own. So what it's going to do is it's going to come on. All right, so when you first put it in, the lid will automatically close and the product will automatically switch on. It will disinfect for 20 seconds, so like a minute and a half or so. And then after that, every 3 hours, it's going to come on for 20 seconds and air dry for 75 seconds. That's basically how it works. There it is. Now you can pop them out. All right, that's how it works. Now we just got to get our teeth brushes and stick them in there. And I got to hang it on the wall and show you guys how to do that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.